over 72 million people, more than 1 in every 100 of the world's citizens, were forced migrants in 2011. Migration is a growing phenomenon that affects virtually every country. More and more people are forced to flee their homes and communities because of conflicts, persecution, slow and sudden onset disasters. The number of people forcibly displaced is increasing as the drivers of forced migration become more complex. Unfortunately, the resistance of governments and their citizens to receiving and protecting migrants is also growing. Many states have effectively decided that the misery of excluded forced migrants is an unfortunate price worth paying to avoid having to confront difficult political questions. Governments need to adopt new policies and strategies that recognize the rights of migrants, helping them become productive members of communities, not social pariahs. 164 governments signed the resolution on migration at the 31st International Conference, pledging, amongst other commitments, to allow Red Cross and Red Crescent societies to have access to migrants, irrespective of their legal status. Help us live up to our commitments.